Introducing the new Laser Tools 7540 Impact Driver Set. This 4-piece tool is designed for removing seized, corroded and over-tightened fasteners. For a seized fastener, especially if it is countersunk, the traditional remedy has been the impact driver. But you have to be careful using a traditional impact driver. Every technician knows it's easy to injure your hand. No need to worry with this new design of impact driver. The flexi-head handle lets you keep your hand out of harm's way. Hold the handle tight against the fastener in the direction of turning. The hammer force is combined with the impact driver's turning action. That didn't take long. The handle also gives you more control, letting you line up the tool precisely. A sharp, careful tap of the hammer and the screw is released, with no damage to the screw and no bent hex key. The kit also comes with an air hammer adapter, and combined with the flexi-head handle, this becomes a formidable tool. Using the adapter will allow you to remove stubborn bolts and fasteners with an extra edge, and is particularly suitable for suspension components. The 7540 Laser Impact Driver Set, available at your nearest Laser Tools stockist.